Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Deel, so let's get started. Deel is a global payroll and hiring platform that helps businesses hire employees and contractors from different countries, manage payments, and handle compliance all in one place. To begin, open your web browser and go to Deel's official website. Sign into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click the Sign Up button and complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From here, you can access all of Deel's main features, including hiring, contracts, payroll, payments, and team management. If you want to hire a contractor, click on the Hiring option and select Contractor. Enter the contractor's information such as their name, email address, country, payment rate, and contract details. Deel will guide you through creating a compliant contract based on the contractor's location. To hire a full-time employee, choose the Employee option instead. Follow the onboarding steps, provide the required information, and review the employment details before sending the offer. After your team member accepts the contract, you can manage everything from the dashboard. To make payments, go to the Payments section and review any upcoming invoices or payroll amounts. You can fund your account using the available payment methods, and then process payments directly through Deel. You can also track payment history, download invoices, and monitor the status of transactions. If you need to update contracts, manage documents, or review team information, those options are available within the worker's profile. Another useful feature is the Reports section, where you can view payroll data, expenses, and payment records to help keep your finances organized. That's the basic process of using Deel to hire, pay, and manage workers around the world. The exact options you see may vary depending on your account type and the services you use. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.